So if you can solve this question correctly, you're definitely about to get a 4 or 5 on the AP exam. So pause this and see if you can do it. So it says, for what value of b is the line y equals 10x tangent to the curve y equals e to the bx at some point in the xy plane? So the first word that stands out to me here is tangent. So if two curves are tangent to each other, that means they share the same y value and the same slope at that point. F of x equals g of x, f prime of x equals g prime of x. The derivative of 10x is just going to be 10. The derivative of e to the bx by the chain rule is b times e to the bx. Now I notice I have an e to the bx in this equation and b times e to the bx in this equation. Since b is a constant, if I multiply both sides of this equation here by b, I'll get 10b times x equals b times e to the bx, which we know is also equal to 10. So I can take this and plug the 10 in for b times e to the bx in this equation. X is 1 over b. So at this point of tangency, x is 1 over whatever the b value is. Now I'm going to take this x equals 1 over b and plug it into the x in this equation so we can solve for b. So the b's will now cancel from the exponent. So we get 10 equals b times e to the first, or just e. Now to isolate b, we just divide both sides by e. So b is 10 over e. So we're going here with choice A.